Alright, hello, good afternoon. Welcome back to Grumpy's Laid Back Carvings. This is an unexpected mail video. I don't know where it comes from, I don't know who it comes from. It's just got my address on here. The box says fragile. Scares me because it come looking a little rough, like they was playing hockey with it on the on the mail truck. But okay, I'm gonna open this up and see what this might be.
The oak smells like a forest dream, a simple gift.
What it might be, as I am clueless.
That counts the most, raise a toast. Let's make a poem. Spin a roach clip, or maybe two, Ray and Sandy. This one's for you, your kindness sparkles, it lights the way. Grumpy's thankful every day. Check out the channel, give them a look. The right and joy in life's big book, support and love. It's what they do, Ray and Sandy. We thank you. Mail days bring such a sweet surprise. Oak and laughter. Where love lies, Grumpy's grin. It stretches wide with Ray and Sandy by his side. Spin a roach clip.
Oh wow, okay. I know this is from now. I wasn't checking on the tracking, so I didn't expect it to get here that fast. This is from Mr. Ray and Sandy. Let's see, it says, Grumpy, here's a few pieces of oak if you can use them. Thanks for the sticker, love your channel. Awesome. Let's see what we got going here. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, I can use that for sure. That's awesome. Let's see. Ooh, oak is some hard wood. You can hear how dense that stuff is when it hits the table. I can definitely use that, Mr. A. Thank you. That is awesome. I can most definitely use them. Oh, thank you, sir. I love that. That's the cool thing about oak. People don't understand. Oak is one tough wood. You can feel it. You can feel the weight in oak. This stuff is dense. It's heavy. Heavier a piece of wood is, the more dense it is. That's cool. I can't wait to see how that looks spun out. That's gonna have some cool grain to it. That right there might be. I know what I'm gonna do with that piece already. Piece for sure. Alright. That's cool. Alright, thank you, Mr. Ray. I greatly appreciate that right there. That is awesome. I will get you a video coming out on what I build with that first. Haha. Thank you. You have a great day. And thank you everybody for watching my channel and subscribing and coming along for the ride. I greatly appreciate it. And stuff like this right here, this is just too cool. I love the community that I'm involved with. Everybody in it. They all have awesome channels and big hearts. Thank you so much, y'all. Y'all have a great day.
Alright everybody, don't forget, check out my description. I'll have a link for Ray and Sandy's YouTube channel. And don't forget to check out Spike Williams' Fundraiser. We gotta spread that word. Y'all have a great day. Thank you.